Can you come and sit with him so I can film you?
Silly face.
There you go.
Come on, big silly face.
You're so funny, I know. He thinks you're so funny. What's so funny? Take that out of your mouth. Take that out of your mouth. Okay, now say to him, boo.
That's great. Does it start by? Must be when you chew it. Yeah.
That's funny, huh? Can you sing him a song?
Look at my attention. He's like, I'm gonna get out of this.
Hi, Evan. Hi, Evan. Hi, Evan.
Second kid starts for attention.
Yeah. Oh, where'd she go? Where'd your older lady go? He's still watching. He's still watching. You look. Okay, you want to have this one? Look, Reese. What's this? There you go. That was cute.
What's on your face? Get some fluff. Some fluffies.
He's still giggling. Can you believe it? Emma, what are you doing over here? Emma.
Just playing with her.
Hi. Hi, baby. Hi. What's on your mouth? You silly girl. What's in your mouth? You got fluff from your shirt, I think. Okay, goodbye. Reese. Look at you standing on your own. He just stood
You
like,
take a couple steps.
oh my God.
He gets distracted.
Reese, what's going on? What's going on?
Silly face.
What's Chelsea doing? Aw, nice, gentle.
Kiss on the cheek.
Oh, look out, Reese. Here comes a kiss. Yeah. That was nice. That was a nice kiss. Clapping? Reese? Yay, nice kiss.
Kiss from Chelsea.